Island tokens, latest news and developments, price prediction, and technical analysis at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said out the way, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure that bell notification is lit. We're going to start off at the roadmap because I think it's important that we keep an eye on how things are developing. So next week is supposedly when the staking debt could be coming out. So I like that we're taking care of things ahead of schedule. You know, we still got CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings in the future. And of course, we have AMA Twitter Spaces, White Paper V2, NFT creation. And these last two over here is going to be, they want to get listed on Shinobi Swap, and there's a couple other things. But staking that is what's coming up next. Moving over to their Twitter page and checking out what they have going on, we can see that they're keeping their word. That's what's important about that, making sure that roadmap is on track. You know, say what you mean and mean what you say. So we got this latest news and developments right here. We got Mobula .fi, which we can check out right here. We can see that they're listed on here. So they are moving forward. There are some developments happening. I know some people were asking about the price, and we're going to get to that in a second, but I think it's important that we go over that. You know, the staking depth is coming out next week. We are making progress. We got listed on Mobula .fi. And if we scroll down, we had shout out to Papa Woody, you know, amazing AMA. I was there. So if you guys didn't catch that AMA, make sure you guys go check it out. Also, Adam Shelton did a video for us. The Crypto Queen did a video for us. December DeMarco did a video for us. So a lot of big influencers are dropping, you know, the name Island Token here and there. So it's something that you guys want to pay attention to. Now, I've been waiting to make this video because I like to give you guys the best entry points that I can. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but I want to do my best to give you guys some of the best entry points. As we can see right here, we're going to mark this up with a horizontal line really quick. We've been here before and we rocked up. 1 second. Let's go ahead and take care of these horizontal lines on the chart really quick, just so we can see the ones that we're adding. And the reason that I can say that we've been here before and we bounce back, we can see this support level right here, which, you know, to me, of course, not financial advice, this is where a good entry point would be for me because I've seen that it's done it before. So from here, from this same area, it's rocked up to those all-time highs, which we will mark right there. So we're in that same zone once again, you know, after this pattern has completed, right? We're in the same zone. And the reason we can say that it's the same zone, if we go to the Island Token webpage, when I did the first video, we can see that it's still marked up. This is when that pullback happened. We called that support, and then check this out. We rocked up. We found support right here. That's why this is a key area to keep in mind. And we rocked all the way up to all-time highs. The prices are a little bit different, two different dexes or whatnot. But over here on Dex Tools, we can see that we're ready to rock up. We zoom in, put this on auto really quick. So we zoom in, we can see we got the SAR dots on the bottom. We got the MACD line with the green peeling off the red. So it's about to pull up to the top. And we'll see our next range to go attack to erase that zero again, okay? Once we break past that zero, that psychological barrier, which is basically here, but we're going to rock past that because a little bit of FOMO. But if you notice right here, that psychological barrier that right at the 10 is somewhere where we try to hold support. I'm not going to worry too much about that channel. We're going to look at from this 52 to erasing the 0 to the 11, since this is an area that we held on to pretty strong when we made our first support above it to go to those all-time highs. And when the price was trying to hold on to it a couple times right here, and to try to hold on to it right here. And the last time that it did, but the price was rejected and we fell through. We have to keep in mind that not only did Island Token, but the rest of the markets also pulled back. BTC pulled back from almost, well, it did go over 25K, all the way down to 20K. ETH pulled back from 1900 all the way back down to 1500. So there were some pullbacks in the market that were just not isolated to Island Token. This is going to be possibly that next area, this little channel right here. As people gain trust, we'll break above this. We'll make a, it's going to look like this. Okay, so 1 second. Dex Tools is lagging a little bit, but it will look similar to this, making a support and rocking up above that 1192 and going to attack the all-time highs once again. So I want you guys to smash the like button, you know, leave some comments down below about Island Token. Go ahead and share these videos on TikTok, Twitter, any social media platforms, Facebook, and get the word out there. Island Token's not going nowhere. So welcome back, and you know, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.